I'm going to talk about astrology and career. So again, this topic I wanted to bisect into different parts, because covering about the career and astrology in one single video will be very difficult. So let me give some background about a career in astrology, so that when I talk about houses, right, you will be able to easily connect which house represents the career. So rewind back to olden days, right? How the human life is dissected into different sections. So usually we'll born in a family, okay, that is our first appearance in this world. After some time, probably the age of 6 or 7 years, we'll be sent to school, or in very olden days it will be a kind of a gurukul, where we will be learning. That will be the first thing away from home, okay, and we will be learning education. The next part, after once the learning is finished, we will be get married, okay, that will be the second part. After marriage is over and have the children's, then the third part comes as a profession. We'll go for work either in the same town, or we'll go outside to earn money or to earn reputation, okay. So this is how logically in olden days we bisected. First, we are born in a family. The second comes the education. Third, marriage. And fourth is kind of a profession to earn money and earn reputation. Now apply this rule in an astrological house, okay. The first house represents yourself, which is what when you born, okay, and count 4 from that house, including first house. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth house represents education, okay. Now again count 4 from fourth house, including fourth house. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 indicates marriage, okay. Now coming to the third part, again count 4 from seventh house. 7, 8, 9, 10, which represents profession. So this is a kind of easy way to remember that 10th house represents profession, okay. So now I think you got a background, like how we can come to a conclusion that 10th house rules profession, okay. Now as I already mentioned, right, first house is what you, ourself. So second house automatically deals with money transactions, okay, or wealth. So this is something kind of a rule we need to remember, so that this can be applied to any context in any of the houses. So second house generally rules money and wealth gain, okay. Now from 10th house, I already mentioned 10th house rules profession or the job what you are going to do in your life. So from 10th house count 2, which is 11th house. 10, 11, that is again the gains from your job, okay. So when it comes to profession, these are the 3 important houses. Second house for wealth, 10th house for profession, 11th house for gain from the profession. Whatever you gain, it can be monetary gain or it can be kind of a reputation, whatever you earn from that, okay. So these are the major 3 houses when it comes to profession. But if you ask me whether these are the only 3 houses to consider during profession, definitely not. There are many other factors, but that comes as and when you go into the subject. For now, considering these 3 houses is enough. Second house for wealth, 10th house for profession, and 11th house for gains, okay. Apart from this, maybe one important thing that you can be considered, it is not always that 10th house represents a profession, because we all come from a particular family, okay. When the family influence is much more than your karmic influence, then possibly you may be doing a profession related to your family. For example, some people might be born to a business person who may be already set up some business for his family, and his son will be influenced by this business and he will be doing that business. So in that case, if for example Lagna is strong, then he will be doing something of his own. If 9th house is strong, 9th house generally represents father, he will be doing business or profession which is related to his father. So this is kind of another way of looking at it, but as of now don't go into that many details. To make it very simple, professions generally deals with these three houses: second house for wealth, 10th house for profession, and 11th house for gains. Okay, with this I'll close this first part of the video. So we have seen houses in astrology for profession. So maybe in the next video I'll talk about planets, which are the planets signifies different professions. Okay, so that's all for today. I'll meet you again.